Well, boys and girls, just a quick little demo. Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, little controller down the middle, little switching button to the right. If you want to go through the menu, I'm just going to be twisting here as you see it going around, because this vehicle doesn't have touchscreen. So as you can see, I'm twisting around. If I press any of these apps, you can see it just hovering across. And we just go all the way through. You've got your maps, your music. Not sure what's on there as music. And we just go across again. But yeah, there we go, a little bit of Justin Timberlake. But anyway, just a brief demo, guys. You got your settings in there, all the way down, and also Siri will work on here as well, so all your Android stuff as well the same. Go back to your menu, so you can read all your messages and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into any messages, but you guys get the gist. SafeandSoundYourCar.com. Audi S1.